katba ki dikhot ke HYC kidang mare banbe ki khna di drug sakhin daila dhakamir jongka arpho tarik ujamang kishipai CRPF kiba aphakini kithan kilabat yo way ni ki dikhot ke HYC parpata ni ushathana jongka sadar PS nagalyang ki dikhot barki noyalam ka seng hadian balai iye gani kila letur mador shathanat banlej yakren batang kumba katto katni minute iye utei udkhot ulalat no
Jibit dalam abun em kasat 6 menit. Takan jibit dalam abun em kasat 6 baru ko irong kan. Dalam abun jibit 6 menit jenjar.
Kapan rong bay? Nada rong mo.
Kloy la yo yo kat 6 dia.
Nada pi nong apa ne pidi ban yong eta. Hi, yong na bot bot bentan mar bom nim bom.
6 jibit.
Lebar pipat klem kino kino.
Lep share di drog sang lep share pi ai mon ni nong di drog.
Nada pipat kino no klem gidaw.
Dia bendan dia approve.
Tadi ngirung nak kebuar le.
Ha, ngirung nak bor mar bliu pin subat nyu.
Bat klem kidau klem ki proof am.
Ni ong pi tak ke.
Okey.
Mar ni kat si ke. Dari pun ini ngirung nak kebuar le. Biar kata spai. Rom. Keli ong pi.
Kliong mentabang ngirung.
Fon.
Fon kloy mentabang.
Fon ngirung nak kebuar.
Oh, ngirung nak bor la da fon ngirung nak bor.
Tim jam lah sebenarnya.
Tell your people that from now on, suppose if you follow any HYC whenever we get any drugs, we'll call you people. You stand as a witness. Okay.
No, we won't stand a witness.
No.
We'll see if not only us,
in court. No, we won't stand a witness. Now your problem is with the court or with the police.
Last time we had a standing meeting where Macham, they said that fed up to go and meet
What do you expect? Police, how can we handle it alone? We need your support.
Okay, you do job, we'll do our job. That's the main thing.
Fine. But like I said, we should work together. You don't have to worry about respecting each other. Ma, please, respecting each other.
if you respect us, we also we know how to
We
respect.
respect.
But if you disrespect us, so it will come. It's come that was blah blah blah.
But the thing is that don't take law in your own hands.
You said your person, don't use that word. You beat him here, I'll beat you in Thanat.
That kind of words.
People out of nowhere,
You
they
beat
talk all this.
outside the decision, we will beat you inside Thana.
And you also have
They
clarified that he is
they saw you beating up somebody. Anybody?
No, he has said that he is from HYC.
Just grab like that only.
Choking. They told they gave us.
No, choking. In that situation, you have to choke, you have to grab, you have to do anything. So you can't hold on that
See,
person.
later, situation will be different. From our side also, we will not be able to
Okay, let's
defend.
not talk too much. We understand.
That's why.
Things what need to be done or not to be done.
Dor sebelah.